Okay guys, objective in this tutorial will be to learn how to grab stuff from keyboard so we can use it. In this simple case, we'll just print stuff on a screen, but we must learn that basic stuff. So we're gonna have three Blanco variables, containers, and then we will fulfill it from keyboard. First one will be data type of integer, int, name will be, of course, first number, or something else. It is just important that it's whole number, integer as a data type, and then float, second number, okay, without value. This is for start, and then we're gonna use bunch of characters to get word, not full string, just concatenated characters, and that is word. So we're going to call it some word. How to state maximum number of characters? Well, this type of brackets, and maximum will be 30. Empty stuff for now. Okay, now we need to inform our user what is expected to type. So printf, this is information to end user. Okay, let's say enter first number, and then we will go to next line, or you are not forced to go to next line, but it's kind of cool, why not? It's up to you. Okay, next function that we need to use is scanf. So in this playlist, this is first time that we are using this function, scanf, and that function demands two things. First is a format specifier. For integer, we're gonna use d, %d, and then comma. And what are we targeting? That first number. First number. But because we are grabbing stuff from memory location, we must use ampersand symbol here. Okay, so when you are creating it, no ampersand symbol, but when we are grabbing stuff from there, we must use it. When we are putting stuff there, sorry. Okay, first number, and this is individual operation, individual instruction, so we must close that with semicolon. And absolutely same stuff for other things, but let's first print that number. So printf, and a little bit of vertical like a differentiation to see things better. Okay, and printf custom report like first number. We must use again percent symbol and d as a format specifier, and then we're gonna concatenate that with real value. And now we don't need to use ampersand. This is just when we are putting stuff there. So this is creation of container. This is putting stuff there, and now we are going to use it from here. So no ampersand now. First number. Okay. I think we are cool. Printf, and not print. And let me test that. Enter first number. So this is whole number, so let's say 15. And there you go. First number is 15. And I'm gonna have also this one more time. So that's cool. Okay, what about second number? You probably get the point here. We must use absolutely same approach, but different format specifiers. So I'm going to copy this to save a little bit of time to you and to myself. So enter second number. Enter second number. This time we are working with floats, so not D but F for float, and of course correspondingly second number. Okay, let me grab this line. I'm gonna put it here, change custom report, second number, of course, F for format specifier, and target. Second number. Let's test that. So first number, I don't know, 15. Second number, this one, blah blah blah. And there you go. We do have that. Okay, but why I don't go to next line? Why? Oh, why? Oh, because of this /n here, /n here. Okay, let me test that one more time. like a 15, and that number, because it's float, we need to use dot and couple of numbers after that, like part of number. And yep, there you go. Okay, so what about word? One word, not string, big string, like a bunch of words, not big sentence, just one word. Okay, let's grab that. So I'm gonna copy this right here, enter some word, and we are dealing with characters, so we're gonna put C here just to see what's happening. We actually need to use S, but let's just put C here because it's a bunch of characters. This is just for experimentation, don't worry. And again, we are putting stuff with the ampersand symbol there, so some word, and down there we are going to use it, okay, like this. This will be some word, but this time let's just use C for one character, okay, just to see what's up. And we are targeting that some word, okay, because there is a difference between one character and concatenated characters, which word is. Okay, test 15. Okay, let me arrange this like some kind of number, and we do have a problem because you must use S as a format specifier here. Okay, when you are dealing with words with a bunch of individual characters packed into word, not into sentence, just into one word. So S for string and S here, and let's see what's up now. Okay, 15, 20, blah blah blah, and now we do have this part of operational, and we're gonna type like test 1 and test 2 just to see what's up, because here we do have two words. So enter, and there you go, we do have test 2 cut it off. We're gonna learn about strings more, but this is just for one word example. So everything works now. Let's test this one more time, like I don't know, okay, and some word like single stuff concatenated. Single stuff is concatenated. Enter, and there you go, everything works. So don't worry, we're gonna talk more about strings and arrays and stuff like that, like lists, a list of individual elements of characters and so on. But now important thing to take from this tutorial is every time when we are grabbing stuff, we must use scanf function and corresponding format specifier. And when you are grabbing stuff, when you are putting stuff in somewhere in a PC, use ampersand symbol. Okay, so that's very important stuff. Because this is a low-level programming language, we must experiment, especially in the beginning, what kind of format specifier will yield what kind of errors and correct results. So there is no way that you're going to escape experimentation, because this is just a low-level stuff, let's say. In Python it's different in high-level languages, but definitely C is very powerful, but it will not forgive errors. And to eliminate errors, well, you must practice a lot, which is a lot of pain, but through pain you will get some kind of gains. Okay, so that's it. In the next tutorial we're gonna also do something fun. Thanks for watching, and if this is kind of complicated, then just grab only integers or only floats. I mean, it's easy. Scanf, format specifier, what are you targeting, ampersand, and then when you're extracting stuff down there without ampersand. Very simple stuff, relatively. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching. See you next one.